Okay, we are going to get started on some math. And I know normally that we do a problem of the day, but because my foundations might have been a little bit longer than it should have been, and wit and wisdom might have been a little bit longer than it should have been, we are going to skip that for right now so that way you guys can get a break from my voice and my face. And we're going to get through this math super quick. Y'all are going to be like, oh, Miss Metz, this is so simple. I got this today. Because remember, our job is to show how we can form tens and what that looks like. Because we know that a whole bunch of ones can be glued together to make 110, right? So let's take a look at this. I have a whole bunch of ones over here. Well, my job is to make tens. So let's go ahead and let's make tens right now. So the first thing I want to do is I want to count out 10. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many do I have there? I have 10, right? So I know that I could glue all of those together and I could come over here and make a 10 rod, right? So I have a 10. Now let's keep counting and see what else we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, what do I have there? 10. So I know that I could glue all of those ones blocks together and make them into a 10, right? So now I have the same number here that I had over here, except it's a lot more organized and I can count it easier. So help me count. 10, 20. Why didn't I count 1, 2? Because remember, this is a 10, this is a 1. So if I was going to count 1, 2, I have to have ones. I count this as a 10, and I count this as a 10. So I have 20 here. Now, I want to know, how many 10 rods do I have? How many 10s did I make out of those bunch of ones? I made 2, right? That is the difference. I made 2 10s out of 20 ones because I know that the quicker I count, or the more I put together, the quicker I can count. So I have 20 blocks here, but I glued them together to make 2 10s. Now, let's take a look at this one. This time, I want you to help me. Show 30. How should I do that? How should I show 30? Well, one way is I could count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I could do that until I get to 30, and that is one excellent way to do it. However, is that the quickest way? Is that the best mathematician way? No. So what we're going to do is we're going to show 30 by using our 10 rods. So this is how many? 10. How many would this be? 10, 20. And then how many would this be? 10, 20, 30. So did I do my job at showing 30? I did. Now, I could have done all the little bitty ones blocks, but how much time would that have taken compared to this? Right? A whole lot more time. And we're trying to be quick mathematicians here. So I can show 30 by doing it in tens. 10, 20, 30. So how many tens did I show? I showed 30 little bitty blocks glued together, but how many tens did I show? I showed 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Does everybody see my 3 tens? 3 tens is the exact same thing as 30. Very good. All right, now help me show 40. Help me show 40. So yes, I could count out by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! That's going to take me forever. Is there a faster way to do it? Yes, group them by tens. So now, what do I have? 10. What do I have now? 20 and 30 and 40. So did I do my job at showing 40? I did. And did I not do it much quicker? I did. By grouping them in tens, it's easier to count. It's a whole lot quicker to count. All right. So I've shown 40. Now, how many tens do I have? How many tens? Do I have 40 tens? No, I don't have 40. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 tens. So 4 tens is the same thing as 40 little bitty 1 blocks, right? Because we said here that 20 little bitty 1 blocks is the same thing as 2 tens. Now, you all are going to get in your Teddy Bear workbook, and you are going to do pages 157 and 158 today. So you're going to do pages 157 and 158. And trust me, you are going to fly through it. It's going to be so easy. You're going to be like, oh, Miss Metz, I got this. And I know you're going to do great at making tens.